welcome back to Coding for Success. We will now be starting our dog shelter project. Before we can start coding, we have to make our files. Folders and file structure are really important for organization when you're making your sites. Let's get started. To start off, let's go to our desktop and make a new folder. Let's name it Dog Shelter. Inside of this folder, we're going to make another folder, and we're going to name it IMG. In this folder, we're going to put our images. Now we have to make the rest of the files. So to do that, let's open up our code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to press New File, and I'm going to name it index.html. And now I can pick where I want to save it, and I'm going to save it to Dog Shelter. And as you can see, it's appeared here. Now I'm just going to go here and I'm going to open up the dog shelter in the editor so that we can have the files right here on the side. I'm going to make one more file called style.css, and here it is in our folder. Now let's make this bigger. And so now we have finished our file structure. We have our image folder, our index file, and our CSS file. One more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my editor have two columns, and I'm going to have HTML in one column and CSS in the other. Now I'm going to grab all of the images that I need for this project, and I'm going to put them into the images folder. So I'm just going to copy and paste them in. And now our folder is all set up and ready to start coding. In the next video, we're going to start with our HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.